Hi everyone, in this video you will learn the different camera controls. You'll find a small gray box like the one on my screen located on yours. If you left click it, you can move it anywhere on your screen that you wish, wherever it makes the most sense to you. The row of items at the top of the box shown in order is your camera facing your avatar, as mine is now. The second is a side view of your avatar. Then a rear view of your avatar, which is the default. The next symbol on the object is to view. Click on it and then on an object to zoom in. The button that looks like a computer mouse is the mouse look view. The X will reset. It'll send it back to default. Below the items in the circle will orbit the camera. As shown here. The arrows in the square will move the camera up, down, left, or right, respectively. If you mouse over any of these, it will bring up a box letting you know what this does. When you are ready to continue, please move on to the next whiteboard.